This video is going to briefly show you how to set up and run your own blog. Now there are several free platforms that you can use. WordPress, Posterous, and Blogger are among the most prevalent. I'm going to show you how to use WordPress, and you get to that at WordPress.com because it is both extremely easy to use as well as very robust. There might be some that have more features, there might be some that are slightly easier. I think this one has a good balance that will allow you to get a lot out of your blog. So to get started at WordPress.com, you just click the big Get Started Here button. And you would give your blog an address. So WordPress is free. That's another reason that I like it. You would give your blog a name. So, for example, EnglishTeacher.wordpress.com. That one's already taken, so you would find another one that's not. You would give yourself a username. Again, you might have to try a few variations to find one that's not already in use. You sign up, and after you confirm in your email, it'll bring you to your dashboard where you can edit your blog. So your actual address would be, for example, EnglishTeacher.wordpress.com, and then you would in your email get instructions for how to edit it. Now to show you what it actually looks like when you edit your own blog, I'm going to actually show you the back end of mine. So my blog is run on WordPress also. This is what the dashboard looks like. So this is where you add your posts, and if you actually wanted to see the blog, you can just click on your blog title. So this is, for example, what mine looks like. And with WordPress, if you're logged in, it'll tell you how many people are visiting, if you need any updates, if you want to change your theme, things like that. So I'm going to go back to show you how to add a post. So there are two types of things you can write on a blog, a post and a page. A page is static. It doesn't change. So an about page doesn't change all the time. So that would be a good example of a page. And you can see those here. Okay, posts are the actual currency of a blog. They're what you write regularly. So if you wanted to see, for example, I have lots and lots of posts that I've written over the last few years. Now, you're going to start out with none, and it takes a lot of time to develop a history of writing, to develop an audience. But to get started, it's very simple. You can just hit the Add New button. You give your post a title. And this is just almost like typing in Word or any other document editor. So you would type anything that you wanted here. You could upload pictures by pressing the Media button. If you wanted to embed a YouTube video or something like that, you could just use the HTML and paste the code in, and it becomes very simple. As soon as you press Publish, it's automatic. It's live immediately, and you can come back and change it. So that's really the basics of running a blog. Is the two most important things are posts and pages. Also, if anybody comments on your blog, on any of your blog posts, they'll show up in this comment section and you'll get a notification. So you can approve those comments or you can delete them. And it's pretty simple. The hardest part, I think, of maintaining a blog is just keeping up with it. So you want to invest in writing regularly. Some people get distracted by things like themes. You can spend hours trying to choose the perfect theme. There are literally thousands of them. But spending the time developing the content is the most important thing. Find something that you're passionate about and try to write about it regularly. If you can, once a week. That way you give yourself the time for reflection, and you also build up an audience because they know that you're going to be regularly providing something for them to read as well.